Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Angel is going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow, and me, Roger, will be your voice guiding. And today we are going to share with you a Korean eggplant side dish. Hope you like it. Here are the ingredients, and also you can get it at the end of this video. First, we will remove the head and tail of the eggplant. Then we'll chop it about 1 finger lengthwise. Followed by cross open the eggplant. Then wash and drain the eggplant. At the same time, you can prepare a pot of water and a plate. After water has boiled, evenly spread the eggplant on the plate. Then cover the lid and steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can remove the eggplant from heat. We can also use a fork to test the softness. If it is well, then we can stay aside and let cool. While cooling the eggplant, we can prepare the sauce. First, chop the green onions. Then crush and mince garlic. Then we place both green onion and garlic into a big bowl, and then adding the soy sauce, fish sauce, and hot pepper flakes and mixed. Also some sugar, according to your taste. Add more fish sauce and salt if needed. At last, we add the sesame oil, stir well, and taste it. When the eggplant is cooled, shred it into small pieces and put it into the seasonings. This helps the eggplants to be richer in flavor. Mix them well And lastly, sprinkle some sesame and marinate for 20 minutes. Then it's ready to serve. It's easy and tasty, really good at a hot day. We'll share some more side dishes coming up videos. If you like this Korean eggplant side dish, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video advance. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See ya!